we're here at 220 Derrah Drive. We're gonna just come in through the front door here. Just off to the left is a front office. It could be a bedroom. It does have a closet. So this could be a bedroom or an office or just a front room. Got nice shutters, neutral tones. We have a full bath right here. Got granite countertops, nice tile surround, and a lot of storage in here. Storage closet or linen closet there. Just coming down this hallway, if you come to the right, we've got the laundry room, washer dryer, hookups are right there, and a nice little mud room with some cubbies right here. This door leads to the garage here, two-car garage. So it looks like we do have a water softener, so that's nice. This is the kitchen and dining room and family room area. So we got a gas fireplace. We'll come down to the hallway here. This is going to be the master bedroom. It's a nice master bedroom. Again, we got shutters. Nice bright neutral colors. This is a master bath. Got granite countertops. Separate toilet. And a nice big garden tub here. And a shower, and then a walk-in closet. This is a pass-through through the laundry room right here, which is nice. It's a nice, good size master closet, lots of shelving. Quick picture of the kitchen. So we got a nice big island here. Stainless steel appliances, microwave, and a really big pantry here. So a nice walk-in pantry. Okay, that's it for the upstairs. Just get a picture of this closet really quick. We will head downstairs now.
This is a nice house.
Family room, nice big family room here. And we've got a storage closet here. This basement has a ton of storage in it. There's this closet here. Got a long hallway down here with tons of storage. All of these closet doors are all storage. We'll take a look at all of them. This is just under the stairs. We'll come to the right here, another bedroom. And another walk-in closet. Lots of storage here too. We've got another storage closet in between the two bedrooms. This is bedroom number 3. Another walk-in closet, plenty of storage, lots of space. And then this is a full bath. So we've got granite countertops again. This is kind of a Jack and Jill bathroom. We've got a sink on both sides. Super nice. Toilet and bathtub with a nice tile surround. Continuing down this hall, More storage. We have 3 storage closets right here in this hallway. And this is number 3. We're gonna go in here to this last bedroom here in the basement. Good sized bedroom. And again, another walk-in closet. Very similar to the others. Lots of storage, lots of space. All right, that's it for the basement. I'm gonna just get some quick pictures of the backyard and the front of the home. I think we did miss this storage right here. This is like a cold storage area, the furnace and everything. All right, so let's go back to the backyard. Fully fenced in yard. Nice little patio here. And the HOA does maintain the yard. Got a gate on this side. We have window well covers. And that's it for the back yard. We'll just take a quick peek at the front yard. This is the front yard. All right, that's it for 220 Derrah Drive.